get some laundry done. Is this something? Buenas tardes, besties. I'm going to be showing you a grocery haul. Some popsicles for the kids, and these ones right here as well. We got some ice cream, pizza party, ice cream, some hash browns, some cheese, some avocados, some tortilla mission tortillas, some breakfast burritos, some chicken patties, some eggs, and body armors, some Coke, alkaline water.
You say all the right things when I'm hurting. You always pick me up when I am down. It's like you have a spark that leaves me burning. Yeah, you just have your ways to get me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right when I'm around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. You touch me in a way that makes me shiver. Sometimes I can't believe that you are mine. Love's a gun and baby, you're my trigger. You kiss me in a way that gets me high. You make all my dreams come true. It feels right just being around you. We could break up and then make up. I always come back to you. You move me in a way never thought anyone could. You get me high. You're my drug when I am feeling blue. Yeah, it's all you, 'cause you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one. Yeah, you're the one, babe. Yeah, you're the one.
Today is more like a laundry day, so we're gonna get some laundry done. This is one way we save money, is reusable diapers.
Let me tell you this, let me tell you right now, your exquisite kiss still burning. Didn't know I missed this passion in life. Now I'm addicted somehow. Let me tell you what is up with your smile? It's impossible, not melting, irresistible. When I look through your eyes, not even sky's the limit. I used to be satisfied, get over this surface. Now I just can't get enough. You make me feel like no other. I just want everyone to
little plants. I don't know if that pineapple is gonna come to life, but we'll see. Look at my lettuce. This one right here is gonna be lavender. This one right here is cilantro. There's a little bit right there, you see that? Not sure if anywhere else. That's all I see, and then this big one right here. Can't wait until it gets like super tall. And this one right here is strawberry. It's a little sprout there. And that's just the plant. I don't know the name of it. And this one right here is my potatoes. I think they're ready, but I'm not exactly sure because this one's so tiny. Look at that one. This one right here, I don't know. I don't know. Let me go get some bigger ones. So mind you, I've never done this before. This is the first time I've ever done this. So hopefully it works. Oh, this one doesn't work either. My husband usually does this, but since he's working a lot, I have to step it up and do it on my own. It's okay though. We'll learn. Oh, that one worked. So right here, the video said to unscrew all these screws here. And I check in here and see if it's dirty. And that's why it's not starting. So we'll see. Oh, this one looks different. Erg. Okay, this thingy works. Is that what I'm supposed to be looking for? Well, it's clear. Let me look up another video real quick. Okay, so it was clean in there, so now I'm going to re-screw it in. Why is it? Is it not tight enough? I guess. Okay, there we go. Why isn't it moving? Did I do something wrong? Oh, there it is. I think, I hope. Besties, I've never done this before. You guys are watching me struggle, but that's okay. That's part of life. What side does it? Okay, I hope it works now. What in the world? I have no idea. Whatever. Oh, okay. So it's this part right here that locks it. Good to know. Now we're gonna screw the other one. I'm gonna go get the other screws to do these right here. So I got the other screws. Now we're gonna screw these in. Okay, other one here. Screw it in. Okay, now it says to go get starter fluid. I don't have starter fluid. We'll see if it works without it. So I think it might be this thing right here, so we'll see. Oh, something's leaking. That doesn't look good. Wait, but that video didn't say it was leaking. Whatever that oil was. So I figured out one side is to unscrew and screw. So that's good to know with this handy tool. Put this back in there. I couldn't take it out, it was like super hard. Maybe I needed that oil out or something. I'm gonna start it again. See what that does. So the video says that we need starter fluid. So let me see what I can do. I'm not sure if they have it at Home Depot or where, but we'll go see. So I'm gonna put WD-40 in there. Hopefully that works. Pray for me. It did something. Today I'm gonna spend my day cleaning the house. It is kind of a disaster today. I didn't clean yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. Yesterday was a relaxed day with my family. So today we're just gonna get everything cleaned up, refreshed. Let's get to it, besties.
How I've tried, written down the words to say it is time. I've been waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside. Baby, got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight, I am going all the way. The way you touch my hand, it all goes away. The things I planned, the things I would say, now I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that.
Now for the lawnmower, I wasn't able to turn on the lawnmower the other day. I just left it like that. Hopefully, I don't know what I'm gonna do with the lawnmower. I tried to fix it on my own, but I couldn't. We'll see how that goes. But either way, we're gonna continue to do the refresh. I just cleaned the dining room table and broomed a little bit. Now I'm thinking of putting some laundry into wash because I need to do laundry as well.
Never up, never down, never. Like a theme in a song, clever. Feeling high, feeling low at the same time. Feels so right, then I'm wrong, hoping I'll be fine. But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought